Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and move on to 5.2. This is working still with kind of seeing the ln of x. Today we're going to work on finding integration, as you can see by the title. So the integration of 1 over x dx is equal to the ln of x plus c. And we have the absolute value because if we were to graph this guy, we're talking just about the positive version of him. Negative versions can pop out if there's negative signs involved with stuff, but we want the positive version, so from 0 to infinity. So therefore we want the absolute value of him. Just like with our derivatives, how we could take derivatives of more complicated things, we can also take the integration of the more complicated stuff by doing the 1 over u du being equal to the, again, natural log of absolute value of u plus c. So let's go ahead and do some integration. So if we want to take a look at the very first one to the left, I'm going to go ahead and pull out that 2 to start with. And I have the integration of 1 over x dx. The integration of 1 over x is the natural log, so I have 2 times the natural log of x plus c. This next guy over here is a teensy bit more complicated, not bad. We're going to have to do our u substitution. So I'm going to go ahead and use the denominator as my u. Get ahead of myself. And I'm going to let my u be 4x minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative of that. Derivative of that guy, and he's going to give me 4x. Now, because I need a 4 in there, and I've only got a 1 on top, I need to go ahead and throw the 1/4 out front like what we had done before when we did our integration. So now I have the integration of 1 over u, du. So I have a 4th. The integration of 1 over u is the natural log of u plus c. And we said my u was 4x minus 1. Okay, let's go ahead and take another look at one that's very similar. We're going to, again, let our u be the denominator. That's 7x minus 2. The derivative here is 7 dx. Again, I need that 7, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the opposite reciprocal, so the 1/7 on the outside. So now I can go ahead and have 1/7 times the integration of 1 over u du, which gives me 1 over 7 natural log of u plus c. And I'm going to go ahead and replace that u with 7x minus 2. And our last example. I'm going to go ahead and remember, when we're looking for more complicated u's to choose, we want to pick something that, excuse me, let me backtrack. When we have stuff on top and bottom and we're looking for something more complicated, typically we're going to let the denominator be our u, or the guy that has bigger powers. I'm getting ahead of myself. So in this case, I'm going to let my u be x squared plus 1. My derivative of this guy is going to be 2x dx, and I have the x. I'm just missing that 2 like I was in the examples before. So I'm going to go ahead and have 1/2 times the integration of 1 over u du. That's going to give me 1/2 times the natural log of u plus c, which is going to give me 1/2 times the natural log of x squared plus 1 plus c. All right, there's your homework.